Love you, Mom. I love you, Annabelle. Peace.
No.
You don't love Mama?
I do.
You do love me? Oh no, she's taking pictures. Hey, whose phone you got? Devin's, what are you doing on it?
Taking pictures.
No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, let me see. Oh my gosh, you are. No way. Hey. Take a picture of Devin. You tell Devin you love him? Give Devin hugs and kisses?
Love you, Annabelle.
Give Devin hugs and kisses. Annabelle. Give Devin hugs and kisses. Say, I love you, Devin.
I love you.
I love you. Who's your best friend? Devin? Thought I was.
You're weird.
I'm weird?
Who's your Valentine, Annabelle?
Who's your Valentine? Mommy. Hey. Hey. Look at me. Guess what time it is? It's 3:45. Look at me. Look at me.
Hold on.
Look at me. Look at me now. She's trying to take a picture of herself. She's touching the screen.
Say cheese.